You want to give me some two-step action on the way out?
I can do that.
Okay. Hey guys, Chevy here again. We got Jaden over here. He brought his Toyota by for us checkout. Anyway, so here it is. So I think this thing said it's got a 4.8 in it. It's got a VS Racing 66 millimeter turbo. Got air to water intercooler. It's got turbo 350 205 transfer case. It's got a brand new set of 35s on here. We were just talking about lift springs. He's got some trail gear 5 inches or 5-inch springs. Thinks he's gonna take the add leaf out of them, so it'll make it a 4. But this thing looks real good, and if you watch the booger hook burnout video, this is the one in there making all that racket. This thing's really rowdy. What'd you say this thing made for power?
That's right at 400 right now at 8 pounds.
8 pounds. That's pretty impressive. 400 horsepower, like 3,500 pounds?
33.
33? Yeah, probably just rips. So, any big plans for it? And what are you gonna do with it? You gonna do anything else, or are you pretty happy with where it's at?
I'm pretty happy with where it's at. I want to kind of get the lift leveled out a little bit, and then probably just drive it around, daily drive it, and maybe take it over to the dunes, do some mud drags with it.
Oh yeah, man, this thing would be killer at the mud races.